that we as clinic officers, we are ready to continue on strike for as long as it takes. Today we are doing the 60th day, but we shall not go back to work until our demands are addressed.
Healthcare workers who are employed on these hospital board contracts have not been paid since November last year. We are talking about 7 months without pay. Why are they not being paid?
Mine is to implore our CS, Health, na Kumicha. Our demands are 3. The first one is we want PNP. The second one is we want our gratuity to be paid. The third one is we want ownership. We as universal healthcare workers were employed on a 3-year contract in 2020. And the purpose was to meet the goal of the Ministry of Health on universal healthcare achievement. There cannot be, and we cannot achieve universal health without human resource. Tell the Council of Governors and the CS to come together and agree to take ownership of UHC. We cannot keep on suffering. We are earning a half-pay salary as our counterparts. We cannot apply for jobs in the county government because we are under national government. Yet, the county government is giving directive of us to keep doing a contract. We cannot do a contract for 6 years. We are telling Nakumicha, we are telling Council of Governors that on 4th June, we are coming to MOH, coming to Nairobi to demand for PNP letters. We are not taking anything.